they kind of groom you. You just have to let them groom you. That's what I feel. I completely did not know how to handle an analytics interview. So my first place was to go to Jigsaw. I spoke to Sarita. She gave me a clear route of where to get started, how to get started. That's how I chose Jigsaw, because Jigsaw was giving something in theory and in practical.
Jigsaw Academy gave us a platform. Like, to me, it's like a privilege. Here people are really different. They are really competitive, friendly, and they actually, the main thing is curiosity. I have seen everyone like they want to learn something new every day.
There's a big drive towards distributed technology, and I felt like Jigsaw was the place to come for that. The diversity of trainers you meet here, there's lots of trainers, and all of them are really, really available for you to, to tap into the knowledge.
One of the great things that Jigsaw Academy's curriculum and program helped me to understand concepts and enrich my thought process. Jigsaw Academy has been a very transformational event in my life. The idea of working in a team, the idea of brainstorming is something that Jigsaw has taught me, because the case studies that's been involved is very, very detailed.
So Jigsaw has helped me to steer my career path more in terms of giving that kind of structure and the confidence that the entire breadth is kind of covered.
We wanted to do something really different and like really come up with a training program or courses that made people industry ready.
When Sarita and I were in Delhi, we were at a coffee shop, and one guy walked up to us and he's like, "Are you Gaurav? Are you Sarita?" And we said, "Yeah." And he said, "Oh, I'm a Jigsaw student." And he sat down with us and said, "You guys changed my life. I got out of engineering college. I did a program with you. I got a really good job as a data scientist." He was very happy with the way his career had progressed. He was saying, all of this has happened because of Jigsaw, and I think that was a great moment for us personally, to have someone come in randomly from a crowd and say that you guys have made a difference.